or as always, LinkedIn gives you limit actually. You are not able to go to many profiles. After few profile searching, your profile will ask you to upgrade, or it would show you only three profiles only, and it's a problem. So for that we do have a solution. We will go on google.com, we will search on X-ray search, we'll get this website, we'll click on this, and here we'll click the country, United States. Let's say you are looking for people who have written looking for full time, like this, anything you can write down, and location or keywords if you want to write, otherwise that is enough. And let's search by this. When you will click on this, it would ask open in Google. So you will open in Google, you will see LinkedIn profiles of all people. Okay, there are 10 pages. So now you need to do the selection which one you want to open. You will just click on that and open in new tab, and it would be in front of you. You can see if you need to send the request to that person or not. This is the simple way to reach out on the multiple profiles. You will not be getting any kind of restriction because this is going to be unlimited in many cases. If sometime you are facing any issues, you can again move to LinkedIn. So there are the ways you can reach to the profiles. I'm just repeating it. You will come on the X-ray search by Google. You will write down United States. You can write down any keywords whatever you search. Let's say OPT, STEM, or student. As you have taken United States, so it would show you the US profiles only. After clicking on this, it would open in Google. You will get the profiles here. So whatever you feel is comfortable way for you, you can use, and you can reach to the people, and you can send the request. Don't send so many requests. As I told, send only 4 to 5 requests in a day.